Hello guys and welcome to Quick Tip Academy. Today we will learn how to utilize Go to Special in Excel. Go to Special is used to highlight cells from a range of cells based on a specific criteria. These could include blank cells, visible cells, precedent and dependent cells, cells with formulas or conditional formats. Blank cells. Displayed is a table with data on monthly expenditure. Cell D4 and D8 are blank with no data. The objective is to fill all blank cells simultaneously with a value of 0 as no expenses was incurred. Type 0 on a cell outside the table. Type Ctrl+C to copy the cell. Highlight the range of cell on column D. On the Home toolbar, click Find and select. Select Go to Special. Select blanks and click OK. Only the blank cells are highlighted from the range of cell. Right-click and paste values. 0 is pasted on all blank cells. Visible cells. If rows 5 to 7 are hidden. Cells D4 to D8 is selected to color fill. Color fill does not only apply to cell D4 and D8, but all other hidden cell between these cells. To avoid this, repeat steps but utilize Go to Special to isolate only visible cells. Again, hide row 5 to 7. Select D4 to D8. Click Find and select. Go to Special. Select visible cells only. Again, apply color fill. Unhide cells. Color fill was only applied to visible cells. Precedent and dependent cells. Dependent cells are cells whose value depends on the value of other cells. On this table, the dependent cells are the total values which depends on the value in the cells above. Similarly, select Go to Special. Dependents. To highlight the dependent cells. And then, Go to Special. Precedents. To highlight the precedent cells. Cells with formulas. One may want to highlight all cells with formulas from a range of cells. In our case, C10 and D10 are the cells with formulas. To highlight them, again, click Find and select. Go to Special. Select Formulas. Only the cells with formulas are highlighted. Thank you for learning. Please like, so others can benefit from this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for more quick tips.